Hi there! In the last video I did the dark femininity makeup look, and in today's video I'm going to do the light femininity makeup look, which I'm very excited about. It's going to be pretty simple, but we're going to just highlight some features. It's going to be really soft, really girly. I think soft is the right word. I did my skin tint, concealer and powder, but the thing that I did differently from my dark femininity look is that I added a color corrector, a pink peach color corrector, this one from Maybelline. As you can see, my under eyes are looking nice and bright. I also used a sponge to seal my under eyes, so the powder also brightened a little bit. I feel like this really suits the light femininity makeup look. So the brightener, and then I used the neutralizer on top as a concealer. I'm going to skip contouring for today. We want the features to look soft and rounded and feminine, so I'm just going to use bronzer and blush and skip the contour. And you want to make sure that the bronzer is not too dark. I did miss my Dior nude bronzer in the shade 2. This is the packaging broke, which is very disappointing coming from Dior, but whatever. The product inside is really great and they discontinued it, which again is very disappointing of Dior. But I love the fact that it's not too dark. It's just a couple of shades darker than my skin tone, and it has some shimmer in it, which makes my skin glow, and I love glowing. So I'm gonna get my hair out of the way. I do have here some powder left, I think. Let me just blend that. I did my base makeup in the hallway, in the mirror on the hallway, and I don't see very well in that mirror. I think the lighting is not that great. But here, in my balcony, love the lighting. But I also have my ring light back. So yeah, I'm a content creator. Love this bronzer. Look how subtle and beautiful that is. Okay, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit on my jawline, very sparingly. I don't really want to highlight my jawline because I did mention it in my dark femininity makeup. I do think that my jawline is a very masculine feature of mine, and I love it. I really love it, but for today's look we want to look as soft and feminine as possible. My eyes are so red. I still did not get eye drops. I'm gonna get eye drops this weekend. I need to. I don't know why, they just feel dry for some reason. I think maybe it's the climate. I don't know. I feel so good. Like I think it's been like a week since I started feeling amazing. I just feel like the most myself version I know. I eat healthy, I work out, I am self-aware, I do think about the things that I'm feeling, and I'm processing a lot of things, and yeah, I guess I just love myself. I feel like that's the core of everything, but why did I become so deep? It's just a makeup tutorial. Do you want to listen to deep things? Because I can talk about deep things every day. For blush I want to use pink, and I'm actually going to use eyeshadows. I'm going to use the Douce palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to pick up this shade and use it as blush. And I did this in the past and I really love how it looks. I'm gonna really dust off the excess from my brush. I'm getting a haircut today, and I don't know when I'm going to upload these videos because I did film every day this week. I'm just getting ready for a vacation in September, so I'll be taking some time off then, and I want to have my content pre-filmed. So it might take a while for you to see the haircut, but make sure to follow me on Instagram because Instagram sees things much faster than YouTube. I mean the looks. The tutorials I usually upload on YouTube first and then on Instagram, but on my Instagram stories I post everything. My food, my looks, my mood, movies, music, I post everything on Instagram stories. Look how pretty and girly and soft and feminine. I guess I'm stepping into the character as well. Highlighter. If you know, you know. The e.l.f. Baked highlighter in the shade Moonlight Pearls. This is the softest, most beautiful highlighter I've ever used. I haven't used that many because I love this one and I haven't changed it, but I do love it. Especially this shade, Moonlight Pearls, it works amazing for my skin tone because I am pale. Really pale. I also did not tan this summer because I barely got out of the house and I wore SPF the entire time, which I always do. Like, I wouldn't skip SPF for anything. Let me highlight a bit more because I missed highlighting apparently. Since I did not apply foundation these months, I didn't really do a complete face makeup. I skipped highlighter most days. So right now that I'm doing a full face again, I love it. And it's also natural because I use skin tints and not really foundations. I mean, especially these days. I'm gonna pick a smaller brush and use the same highlighter on my inner corners. And by the way, I do have concealer and eyeshadow primer on my lids, so my lids are prepped. I just need to apply some eyeshadow on them. I'll be doing a very awesome TikTok with this light and dark femininity makeup looks. I hope it turns out amazing, but make sure to follow me on TikTok as well, even though I do some videos when I talk in Romanian, because TikTok is very location based, and I realized that the Romanian talking videos, they do perform better. Do you care about these things though? That's the question. Probably not. But I'm gonna talk about it anyway. I did grab my Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette. I want to mix this pink transition with this brown transition to create kind of like a pinkish toned nude. I don't want really truly like pink, but I do want it to have a pink tint just because that leans more soft and girly to me. But I want to keep the colors as light as possible, so we're not going to use anything darker than this. I zoomed you a little bit closer. We're going to do one eye for YouTube and one eye for Instagram, because I film with my phone for my TikTok and Instagram, so I do have to switch between my camera and my phone, and luckily I have two eyes. I'm not going to apply any shadow on my lower lash line. This is already looking a little bit too dark, but let me blend it out. I'm gonna really buff it out. But the shade is fine, a little bit warm, a little bit pink as well, just a tiny bit pink. I think I should have used a little bit more pink, but it's fine. I'm gonna try and diffuse it as much as possible because I don't want it looking dark. Right now my brush doesn't really have product on it. I'm just using it to take away the excess and really blend everything, doing large circular motions. Since this color is not too dark, I can do that without smudging stuff all over my lids. Then what I want to do is take a light shimmer. I'm gonna use, wow, should I use Charmer or should I use Beaming from the palette? Let's do a mix, why not? Let's mix Charmer with Beaming and let's see how that goes. Gonna apply that on my lid with a flat brush. This is from a Morphe set. It doesn't have any number on it, so any flat brushes will do, honestly. Or you can use your finger as well. I just think that using a brush looks more elegant on camera, that's why I do it. I wish my eyes were not this red. It wasn't the color scheme I was going for. Red eyes. Maybe, should I smudge a little bit of that? Yeah, I don't know. And that is all the eyeshadow we're doing, believe it or not. I'm gonna use a light colored pencil on my waterline, apply mascara and call this a day. I do have here a Bourjois waterproof contour clubbing in the shade Fair Play, light nude shade. And that is gonna go on my waterline to bring even more light to my eyes and open them up. And that is really simple actually, and I'm gonna top it off with mascara. I'm gonna use my On the Rise mascara by NYX. I don't want very voluminous lashes, I just want a little bit of length and lifting, so I feel like this is perfect, but we're going to curl them first. Did my ring light just shut down? Okay, I figured it out, the power went off in the city, but luckily we have good sunlight. The show must go on. And let me just open this up. I love the fact that it's pink. Suits the vibe. The lash serum I use, the Ila lash serum. I'm spoiling everything right now because I want to do a separate video. It works amazing. I don't know what's up with the brand. I don't know if it's just available in Romania or in Europe or whatnot, but this stuff works. My lashes are longer and somehow feel stronger. Like, even the base of my lashes is a little bit darker. They look a little bit thicker somehow, because when I remove my makeup at night, I look at the base of my lashes and I'm like, did I remove everything? Because it looks a little bit darker, a little bit black. And the answer is yes, I did remove everything. It's just that they are naturally like this. Should I apply mascara on my lower lashes? Okay, I should. That is it for the eyes. Power's back on, ring light is back in action. We're going to move on to the lips. I'm gonna use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Toulouse. I just want to say that this, I think if I ever get married, this is the vibe that I'll be going for at my wedding. This is so pretty, and I feel like this kind of a softer look suits my face the most. Like, yeah, I do makeup, I experiment, I shouldn't talk. I play with makeup, but if I wasn't filming and stuff, I think like this would be my go-to makeup. I'm not gonna overline a lot. I'm gonna fill in the sides a little bit. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of gloss on top of this. The last product for today, I swear, it's the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. Just a pink toned gloss. This smells so good. I love the scent. That is everything. This is the look all complete. And as weird as it might sound in my book, because I do all sorts of color combinations, all sorts of different makeup styles, this is one of my favorite looks ever, because I feel pretty. I think it suits me so well. It just brings out some features without being overpowering. You look at me and not at the makeup. So if someone sees me, they probably won't be like, wow, your makeup looks so good. They will be like, wow, you look so pretty. Let me know what you think. Do you love subtle makeup or glam makeup? I do love both, you know, both of them have a special place in my heart, but it's just because I'm passionate about makeup and I love creating all sorts of different looks, but this has my heart. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did check out the dark femininity makeup, let me know which one was your favorite. Which style do you find more representative, I guess, for yourself? Obviously, it kind of depends on the mood and what you want to express with the makeup. Let me know what you think though. I really hope you have a very beautiful day and you have peace at heart, because I think that's important. I am talking deep things because I'm going to therapy, and I think I am in a spiritual awakening journey. I am just finding my happiness and it feels, wow, it feels amazing. And I wish that for everyone, especially to you, the one watching, because I know you're a good person. I don't know why, I just know. Anyways, gonna head out. See you next time. Bye!